Good morning, students. Welcome to the Max Buddy YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss the second part of time and work. Time and work. So first we are going to study the efficiency concept. First concept is concept number 1. Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. That is E inversely proportional to time. That means if time increases, then efficiency decreases. That is efficiency concept. For example, A complete. Example, A complete a work in 10 days. Similarly, B complete the work in 20 days. So, what we have, A complete a work in 10 days and B complete the work in 20 days. So, by this efficiency time formula, we can find the ratio of efficiency. Is nothing but what we have here, days, right? That means time. So first we are going to write the time ratio of A and B. Time A, time B. That is equal to 10:20. So we already studied that efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So efficiency ratio equal to 20:10. That is 2:1. So efficiency of A and B equal to 2:1. From this, what we got? A is twice efficient of B. A is twice efficient as B. Okay. Another example. Let efficiency of A is to B equal to 3:4. That is efficiency of A and B equal to 3:4. The ratio of the efficiency. Then the time ratio. What will be the time ratio? If we have the ratio of efficiency, then time will be inversely proportional to efficiency, right? That is 4:3. Because efficiency and time are inversely proportional. I hope so far crystal clear to everyone. Okay. Okay. Now let us look at an example. Example is like this. It takes 12 days to complete a work. It takes 12 days to complete a work. And B is twice efficient as A. Then in how many days? We can complete the work. So question is, A takes 12 days to complete a work, B is twice efficient as A. Then in how many days B can complete the work? So here what we have, efficiency, right? Efficiency of the ratio of efficiency of A and B equal to, it is given that B is twice efficient as A. That is, if A is 1 then B is 2. So ratio of the efficiency is 1:2. So efficiency is inversely proportional to time. So the time ratio equal to 2:1, right? But in the question it is given that A takes 12 days to complete the work. That is, here days means time, right? So 2 equal to 12. 2 equal to 12, 1 equal to 6. That is what we have here, B's time equal to 1. So B complete the work in 6 days. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's look another example. Okay, let A can complete a work in 20 days. A can complete a work in not 12, it's 20. A can complete a work in 20 days. So what is his efficiency? Efficiency equal to, in A can complete a work in 20 days. So in 1 day he can complete 1/20th part of the work, right? So the efficiency equal to 1/20. So what will be the work done in 8 days by A? 8 days by A equal to 8 into 1/20 equal to 8/20. Cutting with 4, we get 2/5. I hope it is clear to everyone. Let's move to the next concept. Next concept is remaining work. How we are going to find the remaining work? Let's look at a question. A can complete a work in 15 days. But he worked for 9 days only. 9 days. He worked for 9 days. He can complete a work in 15 days, but he worked only 9 days. We have to find the remaining work. So, in the question, it is given that A can complete a work in 15 days. So, his efficiency is equal to 1/15. He worked for 9 days. So, in 9 days, the work completed 9/15, right? It is the completed work. So, we need remaining work. Remaining work equal to, consider the total work as 1. So remaining work is 1 minus completed work equal to 6/15. Cutting it to 3, 2/5. So 2/5 work is left to complete. So we are moving to next concept. Next concept is men and work. men and work. If a work increases, then men also increases. Because if we have to do a lot of work, then we need a lot of men, right? That's the case. So the formula is M1 D1 H1 equal to M2 D2 H2, where M equal to men, D equal to days, H equal to hours per day. So try to focus on this formula because this can be asked in question. Problems with this equation can be asked in exams. Let's look into an example. 20 men finish a work in 15 days. In how many men needed to finish? So the question is 20 men finish a work in 15 days. How many men needed to finish the same work in 10 days? So we have the formula M1 D1 H1 equal to M2 D2 H2. That is 20 men into 15 equal to, this is M1, this is D1. Here hours is not mentioned, so let's ignore that. And M2 into D2 equal to 10. That is M2 equal to 20 into 15 by 10 equal to 30 men needed. So 30 men needed to finish the same work in 10 days. Now let's look into another example. So the question is 12 men working 8 hours, they finish a work in 15 days. How many men are needed to finish it in 10 days working 12 hours per day? So it is a men days hours problem. First let us write the formula M1 D1 H1 equal to M2 D M2 D2 H2. Here we have men, hours, days, right? So M1 equal to 12, D1 equal to 15, H1 equal to 8, M2 equal to we need to find, and D2 equal to 10, H2 equal to 12. So the formula is M1 D1 into H1 equal to M2 D2 into H2. That is 12 into 15 into 8 equal to X into 10 into 12 equal to 12 into 15 into 8 by 10 into 12. Cutting with the 2, cutting with the 5. So 12 men. 12 men needed to finish the same work. I hope so far clear to everyone. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share for more videos. Thank you.